2010 Chrysler Town and Country came in for smoking brakes. Beside the point. Customer states, while it's there, can you check? I had a squealing noise the other day when I started the van. Only lasted for a few seconds. Haven't heard it since. Can you check my belt? Sure, no problem. New belt, new alternator, fairly recent. Can anyone spot the possible issue? That might be your squeak. Or was your squeak? Let me know in the comments.